Tell us about it, Terri.
Oh, look, this one's quite happy.
Really loudly.
Really loud. Look, I'm trying to be really loud. It's hard when you're softly spoken. I'm a gentle soul.
Yeah, so we've come back to the allotment to have a look at our the little plants we seeded the other week. Well, not seeded, but laid the other week. Planted the other week. And it's all still there. Some of them are getting a little nibbled, but they're there.
It didn't fall down.
Yeah, look, it's still up.
Solid as a rock.
It's our representation of the Sydney Opera House. Yeah, that's what it is. But Terri and I aren't going to stay long today because we are going to go see some family.
I've got to have a little chat with them. Got to give them a little pep talk. So that's what I'm going to do.
All right, so let's watch Terri give him a pep talk.
Now you're doing very well. I'm very pleased with you. You just carry on with what you're doing. It's okay. You get a little bit scorched, but you know what? Don't try not to think about it too much. You'll be okay. Okay? You're all right. Your little brother over there, he's all right. I think we need to go and have a word with. Come on. I don't think you're really trying here, are you? Like you're just not making an effort. I think you really need to think about your performance and your growing strategy. Okay? You know, like I'm showing you the love, but you gotta help me out here. Alright? Alright. Okay. I think that's gonna help. I'm eating all the tomatoes. Up there. We're gonna dig up the potatoes. Ooh, ooh. We had a total disaster. Sorry, I can't help it, they're really nice. We had a total disaster the last time because we couldn't wait, but we learnt our lesson. But now we can't wait again for this, so we're gonna dig it up. We were waiting and waiting and waiting for it to flower. That's not happening. Apparently, that is a thing that doesn't always happen. So we've waited for it. Waited for it to start dying off. I'd say that looks like it's dying off. Come on, we can't wait anymore.
So you just tear this apart, right?
Some. Carrot land. We don't know how big they're meant to be before we dig them up, so just for fun.
Which one should we pick out?
Just for fun, we're gonna dig one up.
Which one?
A big one.
Right,
sorry, I'm filming your bald patch.
You ready? Can you see that?
Wait, okay. Dun-it.
Did you just pull it?
Yeah, just gently. It's a little baby carrot! Hello!
What are you doing?
Pruning my bush, finally, with secateurs. No, are they yes, actual secateurs, not shears like I thought last time. I'm learning. I was really worried about pruning it. I thought I was going to do horribly wrong, and I watched like 80 million YouTube videos to try and figure it out, and Now I've come to do it, it's actually really obvious, and
So what are you doing?
I was overcomplicating it. Well,
Like, what did you do with this one?
see these ones that are fruited? Those are the ones that have fruit on them, and they're all dead. I'm just chopping them right down to the bottom, and then these new ones, I'm leaving them. I've had a little look around, and people seem to have like bits of string to keep it straight, so I might copy them because it'll make it look like I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what's happening.
Right. Onwards.
Onward.
I'm gonna go kill some slugs. Supplying us with all the cardboard because I keep buying guitar stuff. Orange.
Doing my thanks dance to the potato god. We've got our potatoes, we've got potatoes.